This is the most powerful tool on the internet. It's Tubebuddy Keyword Explorer. This thing is awesome. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial, just going to give you a little bit of taste of what it's like. It's really, really awesome. Check it out below. I'm going to leave a link. It's a free download. You can't go wrong. Use the plugin. Check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. It's all about Tubebuddy Keyword Explorer. This tutorial is a little bit more about Tubebuddy. So if you are a content creator and you're trying to create content on YouTube, but you're not sure what to make content of, this tool is awesome. It's called Tubebuddy, and I have some other tutorials online as well, and I'll leave some links below and some cards so you can see those. So what Tubebuddy is, basically, it's a free plugin for Chrome. You can just go right to the, I'll leave a link down below where you can sign up for it. It's free to sign up. The plugin is free. What you can do is use this tool to help you find specific niche or niche topics, or what's trending or what's hot. If you're looking to make specific content, if you're not really sure what direction to go to, this tool will help you. This tool is awesome. I've been using this tool for about over a year now, and it's definitely helped grow my channel quite a bit. Just gives me some ideas on just what to look for, how it's ranking and so forth. Let's get into it. So how to use basically this tool. So what you do is once you download the plugin and you access it and you give it permission to access your account, what happens is it starts pulling the information in from your account as well as what you want to search, and it gives you a drop down. You'll see a menu bar will open up just like this here that you see. And once you open that bar, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. You'll see all these different things that they have available, and a lot of these are free to use. And you can just go in there and just check around and check it out. And you can always get the paid version. Just let you know there is an affiliate link down there. So if you do end up doing the paid version, I will get a small affiliate commission for that. Just to let you know. No pressure either way. It doesn't matter even if you do the free one. I did the free one for many months myself until I felt more comfortable getting to the next level, and it definitely is worth it. So check it out when you get a chance. So check it. So this is really cool. So what I'm going to show you right now is going to specifically show you as Keyword Explorer. So what is Keyword Explorer? So Keyword Explorer is basically gives you some. You can put some keywords in it, and it'll start filtering and pulling things up that might be relevant, that's kind of hot. So it'll give you some ideas, and it'll give you some food for thought. It'll give you, it'll analyze it and give you an idea if it's good or not. So what you can see here, this is what's actually trending right now. So it's actually pulling in. This is all live data that's happening today. Okay, so you can see all these different things that are coming up here, and you can see this is what's happening right now on the internet. These are top searches that are happening right now. So these are really, I wouldn't expect you to go after these specific markets. They're really high volume searching. They're really hard to get into those niches, but you can do it. It just gives you an idea. It shows you what's going on. Like the UFC Fight Night, that's really hot right now. 100,000 searches. You can see all these huge numbers, right? Texas and A&M football, 200,000 searches. So you can see what's going on, right? These are huge searches. But if you want to find something that you're not sure about, just start typing in something in the keyword, and it can be anything. It doesn't really matter. It's totally up to you. Whatever you want to do, you can just absolutely just go in there and just start typing what you like. Let's say you like guitars, or you like music, or you like cars, or whatever it is. You can just start typing it in, and what happens is it'll start generating some. You'll see the keyword. So let's just test this for an example. Let's do new car. Okay, so now what's happening? See what's going on here? So it's generating things that people are searching. So you can see new cartoon. You can see a new car tour. You can see new car smell. So say you want to do a video on new car smell, so you can click on new car smell. Guys, thanks for watching my video. I do appreciate that. Please don't forget to subscribe. It does help support my channel as always. And let's get back to the video. It's all about Tubebuddy. Let's go. Now, let's click on that. Okay, so what's going to happen is it's going to start giving you an example. So you can see right here. So the search volume is very good. Competition is poor. Okay, and optimization trend is okay. So that means it's not so much competition. There's really nobody really doing that, but it just gives you an idea on what's out there, and just maybe give you food for thought. Just say, okay, well, new car smell. That's kind of like really who's searching for new car smell, right? But let's see what else we have. Let's see. Let's just put a new. Let's do that. Let's just do how, because how is always kind of cool. You never know what, how to, right? I always like doing this, like how to tie a tie. Okay, I did this one myself. I just I pull it up, just how to, and just it comes up, and it's still ranking pretty decently. How to change apps and icons on your iPhones. It gives you really some food for thought. How to lose weight fast. That's got to be a good one, right? So let's click on that one and see how that looks. Okay, so it's poor as far as in general score, and it's when you see weighted and unweighted. So if you have the paid version like I do, you see the weighted and unweighted. If you have the free version, you just get the unweighted. So it doesn't give you as much information, but it does give you some information. Okay, so how to lose weight fast. Let's put in 2020, the date. Okay, how to lose weight fast without exercises. Okay, exercising, which is okay. Now look at that. See what happened? So you can see everyone is searching for this. So the score is excellent. All right, so you just found like, here you go. Here's a niche. If you want to like hit this, you can do that. Search volume is good. Competition is high. Excellent. Okay, that means it's high. Okay, but optimization strength is really, really high, right? So you got a really good chance if you do a really good thumbnail, right? So the secret here is now you have to have good content and good thumbnail to drive that traffic in. You'll get pushed out. People will see you. So now you have an idea where to go with this. So this is just one part. Okay, it's you have to have multiple facets when it comes to YouTube. You have to have good content, good titling, good search, good thumbnail. It's all part of the marketing strategy behind YouTube. All right, you're basically becoming your own producer, marketer. Everything you're doing on your own. So this tool will help you. See what this? So it just created something out of nothing, right? Because you just playing around with these keywords. Let's try something else real quick here. If you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Glad to help you. I'm a fairly new YouTube. I've been on for about quite a few years, but really got serious the last year or so. And I was monetized about 3.5 weeks ago, and I'll make a video on my first month of that. So don't forget to subscribe. You'll get a notification when that is available, and you'll see how I'm doing. You can kind of follow me, and just maybe I'll give you some tips and some ideas so you can grow your YouTube channel as well. So something that you want to do definitely can be done. Anybody can do this. You can do anything you love. It doesn't matter. The passion, it's totally up to you. You can do a video on making whatever, spaghetti, noodles. I don't care, whatever it is, you can make that video. It doesn't really matter. So here's another one. So let's say how to. Let's do another one, right? Just one more example. Food for thought. Go to Tubebuddy, download that link. Don't have to pay for it. Get involved. I think you're gonna really like it. Okay, so let's do another one. How to draw. I think how to draw might be kind of cool. So let's see how to draw. So let's take a look at that search results. Okay, so it's poor. Okay, but I think this has some merit. So let's take a look. How to draw on a Christmas tree? No. How to draw on a rose? No. I don't know. Maybe how to draw on a pumpkin? I don't know. Let's see. You never know. This gives you some suggestions. So it's getting better. Okay, now here's another good hit, right? So how to draw on a pumpkin, right? So here's another one. So you can see the value of this tool. So this isn't the be all end all, but this gives you some direction. Would say, okay, I'm getting some activity here. You can see it's good. Okay, search volume again, good, and everything is really good here. Competition's not too high. That's really good, right? Optimization strength is really good. So this is a really good one, believe it or not. Okay, pumpkin pie. Let's get rid of that pumpkin pie. How to draw a pumpkin pie. I guess if you want to draw a pumpkin pie, you can do that as well. So put the pie back in. So let's see what happens. So let's put that in. How to draw a pumpkin pie. This is interesting. I'm all learning like you're learning the same thing. I'm just giving you some ideas. So that's okay. So let's do a date now. So now when you put dates in, things kind of clarify and just really get see what's going on. Okay, so it boosted up a little bit more, but also the search volume went down. So really nobody is really searching how to draw a pumpkin pie 2020. That ain't happening. But how to draw a pumpkin pie is, which is whatever. I'm not really sure what that is. How to draw on, let's try this, on a pumpkin pie. I mean, I'm just fooling around, but this is how this works. It just gives you some idea. Okay, look at this. Now what happened, right? So the search volume is fair. Everything else you can see, it's kind of like going up. So this could be kind of cool if you want to draw on a pumpkin pie. Let's say if you're a cake designer, or if now you can, maybe there's another niche there, or another niche, whatever you want to call it. Then how to draw on cakes. There's another maybe if you like that direction. So this really just gives you food for thought. This isn't a Bible. This just gives you some really strong feedback immediately on the internet and just shows you a little bit about what you can do. Again, Keyword Explorer. Try this one out. Play with it. Download. Join. It costs nothing to join at all. If you want to do the paid membership later on, if you want to, it gives you a little bit more tools to use and gives you some more information. And this is weighted against, so weighted means it's weighted against my content. So whatever I'm putting out there on my channel, it's kind of weighting my content on my channel. I don't really have anything with food really, so it's kind of like, taking that into account as well. But if you're doing a huge channel with lots of food, it might weigh better in your favor. So I think that's kind of how that works. Let's just click on unweighted. Didn't change too much. Okay, so that's it. All right, guys, I just wanted to make a really quick video, just talk to you a little bit about Tubebuddy and also about Keyword Explorer. If you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. I'll leave a link down below as well for Tubebuddy. And also don't forget to subscribe, so when I do start posting some of my results in the last 30 days, I will be making some videos, because like I said, I am a new YouTuber that's been monetized and have, I think, close to 1,200 subscribers now, and I'm kind of excited about that and kind of pumped, and I want to just grow the channel because I love to do what I do. I love video, I love production, and I love creating content for you to watch, and that's it. All right, guys. Hope you appreciate this. Any questions or any comments, leave down below. Appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.